Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 7 English textbooks. We will start our lesson from unit 4, Health is the Greatest Wealth. SLOs of this lesson are identified and pronounced in minimal pairs, common problem consonant including B, W, Ya, Th, L, R, etc. Students, I hope you have learned about the minimal pairs in your previous class too. Let's find out what are these. A minimal pair is a pair of words differing only by one sound in the same position in each word, like pin and bin, bet or bad. You can see the difference of only one sound. The sound of only one letter here, P and B. The rest of the sound in the same in the both words here. The bat, the bat. Here, the bear sound is the same here, but we have only the difference of t and d here. Minimal pair are those words which have only one sound. The rest of the sound are the same. Like in, be, be. Only the difference of t or d or b or p sound here. So, complete the table below for Z and F to th in words for minimal pairs contrast. Few have been done. Now here, you can see this one is underlined and bold. The S here. So here you have to write a word which has the same sound like this, ink, but only differ with this sound here, the given sound here. You can see here the S sound here. Now you have to write a word like that which have the same sound as the rest of the sound here of sink, like ink, but only this sound here has to be different. Like how? Yes. Think. Now, you can see ink, ink. The same sound. But we have difference of s or th sound here. This is called the minimal pair. The V and the V sound is the same. Only the z or th sound is different. Now, this is the word here, think. The th here, but you have to write another word here which will be the same in sound like ing here, but you have to start that word with s here. It has to be different. Yes, this is a word sing. You can see the similarity of ing and ing here, only the difference of s and th here. Biz and with. Now breathe. You have to write a word with Z here. It will be in the middle. The Z sound will be in the middle of that word. You have to write that word which sound the same like this, breathe. But the difference would be the same here. The TH and the Z. The Z versus TH here. What will be that word? Yes, breeze. You can see the difference here. Z and th here, but the rest of the sound is the same, bree and bree. अब आते हम इसकी थर्ड की तरफ, फ्री. अब आपने क्या करना है, ऐसा वर्ड लिखना है जो th से शुरू हो, थ के साउंड से. बाकी साउंड सेम होगा री का, लेकिन थ के साउंड से वो शुरू होगा. क्या हो सकता है, थ और री. यस, थ्री. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. साउंड को प्रोड्यूस करें, आपके जहन में खुद ही वो वर्ड आ जाएगा. वर्ड की क्लू आपके लिए, लेटर क्लू आपके लिए दिया गया है यहाँ पर. आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू दिस रिमेनिंग एक्टिविटी बाय योरसेल्फ. नाउ लुक एट हियर द सेक्शन बी. यूज द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स टू बिल्ड मिनिमल पेयर्स ऑफ एल एंड आर. फर्स्ट वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. लाइक यू कैन सी अलाइव एंड अराइव. ओनली द डिफरेंस ऑफ एल एंड आर साउंड हियर. The one letter sound here. So, We have a word here, right? If you replace the R here with L, what will be the word? Yes, light. Fly. Or replace the L with the R here. Yes, fry. Blush. Here, replace it with the R. Brush. Read. Replace with it L. Lead. Lace. It's very easy. Replace it with R. Race. Do the remaining words by yourself, dear students. The C section here, use the following group of words to build V and W consonant sound. Minimal pairs. Also find meaning of each pair. First one has been done for you. The consonant sounds V and W here. You have to create the minimal pair, which sounds the same. The first one is done for you, waist and waist. Both sound the same, but we can see the difference of spelling and the meaning too. You can find the meaning of these words with the help of dictionary. Like waist is a piece of cloth that covers the upper body, and the west is the direction in which the sun goes down. What will be the minimal pair of this wiper here? Yes, wiper, with which we clean the floor. Find these words too and their meanings too from the dictionary. This is your homework from Summer Pack, page number 22. This is also your homework from Summer Pack, page number 23, and we have an activity here. Some consonants have been given. Make the minimal pairs with the help of those sounds at the beginning, middle, or at the end of the words. You can also get the aid of the dictionary. You can also take the help from the dictionary too. Consonant sound are given for you. You have to create a minimal pairs here of these words. This is your homework from textbook. You have to find out all the minimum pairs you can find. Let's see how many minimal pair you can find from this page of your unit 4 here. I hope you will do your homework and enjoy this lesson. Thank you.